Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to make moving stickers on WhatsApp. So let me show you the steps you can follow. So the first one is use a Sticker Maker app. Look for Sticker Maker apps on App Store or Google Play. So import a GIF video or image or create a new sticker from scratch. Trim videos, add text, emojis, backgrounds, and other effects. Save the sticker pack and add it to WhatsApp. And open a WhatsApp chat where you want to send a sticker. Tap the plus icon and select sticker and tap create and then generate with AI. Enter a description of the sticker you want to create and WhatsApp will generate up to 4 stickers and you can select and send them. And yeah, you can also develop your own sticker pack with custom stickers. So ensure your sticker has a transparent background. It is 512 by 512 pixels and is less than 100 kilobyte. And package your sticker pack into an app and publish it to the Google Play Store. Users can then download and install your app to use your sticker pack in WhatsApp. So yeah, this is how you can create your own custom animated WhatsApp stickers. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.